Look at how weird it is with just one car in the garage, just no Chrysler 300 in sight. But that's about to change because we're going to pick the 300 up right now. So let's move the wife's car over a little bit, make room right here, and we will be on our way. Yay!
What the f are we doing?
Yay! So as you can see, we got Allie scoop me up. Early bird gets the worm. We are on our way to the shop. I'm ready to get this baby back. Once we get to the shop, I'll give you guys a little bit of a rundown of kind of what we've had going on and what we did, but I'm just excited to get this thing back. So let's get a move on. Come on! A little 6.1 in the Jeep with a Borla exhaust, never hurt you. Yeah! Here we are. The Jeep got us here safely. Come on.
Let's go.
Oh, man, you did a lot of work to my 300. It doesn't even look like the same car anymore.
Yeah, so we body swapped it with a Chevy Caprice. We put some Volanos on it, and then we got a supercharged LT4.
Wait, what happened to my 6.1 Hemi with the cold air intake?
Well, you still got the cold air intake here, but, you know.
So you reused it.
We reused it, you know. We put the big Volanos on there.
That body frame swap came out really good on it. I even like how you tucked the back wheel.
You like that?
Yeah,
We
dude.
added the convertible top conversion as well. We're now offering that here.
And you did that all in 4 days.
All in 4 days.
That's
Look at how
beautiful.
We got that tucking back there.
Wow, this does not look anything like a...
And then here, hold on, even better.
Oh, you even changed the badging for me, too.
Changed the badging and we added this
my
custom
God.
sound system.
How did you guys get all this done so quickly?
Hey, right there, baby.
AEP for all your needs. In all seriousness, guys, yay! Check it, yay! She's back, better than ever, dude. Now let's see real quick on this passenger side if we can see anything. Holy crap, dude! Wow, dude, it's like hard to even. I'm like trying to look over the camera so I could see it, dude. Compared to what it was.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. And then as you guys know, the alternator, yeah, there's like, what is that?
I don't know, leaves and debris.
But it even looks like burnt and stuff, right?
It does, yeah. It smells like it too.
Dude, the old alternator that was whining, that was making all that noise, causing my battery light to come on. She's seen better days. The new one, tucked away. Everything fit as it should. Yay! And if you guys remember too from previous videos, there was another thing I'd always talk to you guys about with this car, and it was the fact that when I turned the key to start the car, I felt like almost like it was hesitating a bit, and I did spark plugs on this car. We did a new battery on the car. So once the stuff with the alternator came up, I was wondering if maybe that was kind of affecting how quick this baby starts. So that's another thing we're about to see right now. So with the engine completely cold, we haven't started it yet. It's been sitting overnight, all night. Hal, you want to do the honors for me?
I'd love to.
And just turn the key all the way to on, leave it for a sec,
Yep.
and then just crank it and just see. I'll be able to tell.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. I feel like it's a little bit better from what it was. Before it'd be like, then it would go, you know? Hey. We gotta wake this thing up, man. You know, we gotta check the oil before I hit the road.
It's still up there just because we just started it. But it looks like we got plenty of oil.
Oil catch can doing its thing. He already emptied that out, so I can't show you guys that, but yay. Yay. The black wheels, the red Brembos, the Michelins, yay. Man, so we are officially back behind the wheel of the 300, and I'm just so glad, man. It feels so good to be back driving this car. Like I said, it's literally been like 3 weeks, so the scratch is taken care of. That's complete. The alternator is fixed, which is great. I do want to get a radiator, Mishimoto radiator with a 180 degree thermostat next, because my stock one is currently leaking. And then after that, man, finally, after doing all this little BS, I'm hoping we could actually get into some modifications. Maybe a tune, maybe some sort of exhaust, so on and so forth. But I've been fixing all this other stuff. But that is all I got for you guys today on this video. Just a quick little update video showing you guys off the car. And we are back, baby. So more 300 content coming soon.